What does Charlie want to do?
Monkey. It's like a monkey.
What are you going to show me?
Monkey.
What's your monkey's name?
It's George.
George?
Yes.
Hey, who is coming to see you tomorrow?
Santa.
Santa?
Yes.
How many days?
1 day.
1 day?
Yes.
What does Santa bring into your house?
A present.
Presents? For you?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you think he's going to bring you?
Car.
A car?
Yes.
Like a big car? Like Mommy's car?
No, just one.
Like a remote control car?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been a good boy this year?
Yes.
Yes? Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes.
Does Santa Claus need to bring Sam something too?
Yes.
Yes. What about Mommy and Daddy?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Mommy and Daddy presents too?
Yes.